This is Forge. Yeah, it's my first time to screen record together with my boys. And yes, not getting any farther. Let's just get started. I'm going to walk you through how to connect through a Tor network for our browser and how to configure it, how to connect through a port for a Tor, and also how to access the dark web. So, yeah, let me just pull out my browser. I'm using Firefox. You can use whatever browser that you want. So to get into the website, which is storeproject.org, download Tor browser, click for the download Tor, the one that is underlined, and download the package specifically for your operational system. Since I'm using Linux, I will download for a Linux. Of course, we want the one that is stable. Hold on, just a moment. We have downloaded the file. Let's just extract it. Let me just pull it out my terminal and then connect through Tor. And before that, guys, I also want to inform you that I'm already connected through a VPN, which is here. Hold on, let me just pull it out. And I also recommend to connect through a VPN before using a Tor because it adds an extra layer of privacy and also, helps bypass restrictions or censorships. And now, guys, it's 100% bootstrap. Let's just check if we're already connected through a Tor. I'm sorry, torproject.org. And hold on, what's going on? And guys, as you can see, we're not yet connected through a Tor, of course. We gotta have to change for the setting. We gotta have to configure it. Click for the settings. Scroll down until you find the network settings. This one. And then click for the manual proxy configuration. As you can see, it's already set up in my end because you know I've been doing that before. So the SAXOS, it must be 127.0.0.1, which is your local host IP address, and the port 9050 for the Tor. And of course, we gotta have to keep it up as a SAX version 5, which is the latest one. And yeah, let's just try to reload once again. And all right, as you can see, guys, congratulations. This browser is configured to use a Tor. And let me just pull it up with the what is my IP address. Hold on. And also while we are waiting, let's try to browse the popular website, which is the Facebook and Google.com. And as you can see, guys, it says here I'm located at Italy, which is not, and the services Tor exit node. And as you can see, guys, Facebook, Google, where we are able to access of course, any websites. And now it's an indications that we have successfully connected through a Tor. All right, let me just bring it back to normal. And also, guys, be aware that connecting through a Tor network, it will, yeah, it will slower the speed of the internet connections. And yeah, asking what's the purpose of the Tor? What's the purpose of connecting through a Tor? Connecting through a Tor, guys, yeah, it enhances your online privacy and anonymity by encrypting your internet traffic and routing it through multiple volunteer operated nodes. And now, guys, I'm going to show you how to access the dark web. Let's go back to the torproject.org. And once we get here, click for the download Tor browser. Of course, since I'm using a Linux, we will download the Linux. It's just taking a little bit of time. Just hold on. Extract the Tor. Extract the Tor browser. And guys, we're no longer use a Firefox or a browse or this browser since we will use a Tor browser instead. So I gotta have to close this one. This is the Tor browser. Click for the browser and let me just pull it out with my terminal. Hold on. I should be at the browser and then click for the start Tor browser. Oops, I'm sorry. My bad. Guys, just to also inform you guys before accessing the Tor or before accessing the dark web, be careful. There's several malicious websites out there. There's a viruses that you might be able to download. So guys, yeah, even cover your camera. You do not know there might be someone's capturing you without getting to know. And yeah, just be careful when you access the dark web. Alright, just it's just taking a little bit of time. Just be patient. Patience is the key here. And also, I just copied one of the popular link that can only be accessed through the dark web, which is the Tor link. Let me just pull it out. And as you can see, guys, the link is encrypted and it ends up with the dot onion. And as you can see, these are the services. There's a drugs, there's financials, there's a commercial, hacking, erotic. Of course, we're not promoting any illegal activities here. I just want to show to you guys how to connect the dark web. Yeah, we just click for one of the search engines here. And as you can see, also encrypted. Any links here, guys, is encrypted. Um, I just I just try it out. Alright. I'm not going to click any links here, guys. I just want to show to you guys how to access the dark web. And so also, guys, just just a quick recap here. Yeah, for this video, I walk you through how to connect through a Tor together with your browser, and just keep in mind that connect through a VPN first before the Tor, and also walk you through how to access the dark web.